Hey there, green thumbs. Are you ready to discover some new plant growing tips that'll take your gardening game to the next level? Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these tips are going to help you grow healthier, happier plants. Stick around because you don't want to miss this. All right, let's dive right into it. First up, we're going to talk about the power of soil preparation. Tip number 1, prepare your soil properly. Healthy plants start with healthy soil. Make sure to loosen the soil well, remove any weeds, and mix in some compost. This creates a nutrient-rich environment for your plants to thrive in. Trust me, it's worth the extra effort. Tip number 2, water wisely. It's so important to water your plants correctly. Early morning is the best time to water because it allows your plants to absorb moisture before the heat of the day. Remember to water at the base of the plant to avoid wetting the leaves, which can lead to mold and disease. Tip number 3, know your plants. Each plant has its own specific needs. Some love the sun, others prefer shade. Some need a lot of water, while others thrive in drier conditions. Take the time to learn about the plants you're growing. The better you understand their needs, the more successful you'll be. Tip number 4, mulching magic. Mulch is a gardener's best friend. It helps retain moisture, suppress weeds, and even adds nutrients to the soil as it breaks down. Spread a layer of mulch around your plants, and they'll thank you for it. Tip number 5, rotate your plants. If you're growing plants in pots, remember to rotate them every few days. This ensures that all sides get equal sunlight, leading to even growth. It's a simple trick, but makes a big difference. Tip number 6, handle with care. When transplanting seedlings or moving plants, be gentle. Their roots are delicate, and rough handling can cause damage. Use your hands or a small tool to carefully lift the plant, keeping the root ball intact. Tip number 7, feed your plants. Just like us, plants need food to grow strong and healthy. Use a balanced fertilizer to provide essential nutrients. Be sure to follow the instructions on the package to avoid over-fertilizing, which can harm your plants. And there you have it, folks. 7 simple yet powerful tips to help you grow your plants better than ever. Remember, gardening is a journey. Enjoy the process, learn from your experiences, and most importantly, have fun. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. And don't forget to leave a comment below with your favorite gardening tip or any questions you have. Happy gardening, and I'll see you in the next video.